Hey everyone!
Hiya!
We wanted to upload this quick video to let you know that if you remember a while back we mentioned we have a collaboration with Clip Studio Paint coming out, and now that video is out.
Yes.
So you can go check it out on their English channel. We are going to put the link in the description below and also pin it in the comments. And also our related video that we released a few weeks back, we are going to put the link for that in the description as well.
Yeah, like if you haven't seen it already, so...
if you missed out on that one. So please check them both out and let us know what you think. And also just want to say we are sorry we missed our upload on this past Monday.
We've both just been super busy with like client work and everything, but we do have our upcoming Q&A video and we've gotten so many good questions, so thank you guys.
Thank you all for all the great questions. We are going to sit down and record our answers pretty soon, and that video should be out on time this coming Monday.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, take care and see you all later.
Bye!